Maintaining healthy eating habits isn't easy, but it can be easier if you cook with the right methods. Hi, I'm Emily DeFazio from bestreviews.com, and I'm here with registered dietitian Ashley Hawk. Today, we're looking at the differences when making filling, balanced meals with an air fryer versus an oven. Ashley, what are you cooking up?
What we decided to do is, I don't know about you, but sometimes I'm just constantly craving pizza. There's something about like a red sauce and the cheesiness that I love, but maybe you're looking for something on a low carb side, or maybe you're a diabetic and you're watching your carbohydrate intake. This is a really easy way to swap out the pizza crust and the pizza dough and do a mushroom instead. So check this out, Emily. This one we made in the traditional oven where we put it in at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. Looks quite different from this one, doesn't it?
Yes.
Check these out, the exact same mushrooms, but we put these ones in the air fryer. So not only were they a little bit faster, they only took 8 minutes and we didn't have to wait 15 minutes for the oven to preheat, but they look a lot fuller, right? You had such a great point that sometimes the appliances we have on hand will really influence the foods that we make. So setting ourselves up for success by having appliances that are easy to work, easy to use, is such a great tool to once again set yourself up for success when it comes to your diet and what you're eating.
That's amazing. Now let's start with ovens. Yes, you can cook more at once, but you can also cook larger foods like roast beef, pizzas, or a whole chicken, and an air fryer couldn't never fit those. Most ovens can also reach higher temperatures than air fryers, further opening up your recipe options. The downside to these benefits are most ovens cook more unevenly and take longer than air fryers, which means you also use more energy. If you end up cooking many kinds of food for many people, an air fryer isn't a priority. But you can still grab one to help you make side dishes while your oven is busy or for making quick meals. If that's something you're intrigued by, consider one of the Testing Lab's favorite air fryers, the Breville Joule Pro. Think of the Breville Joule Pro as just a miniature oven with a $500 price tag to match. It can handle most of what a full oven can handle, including smaller pizzas and whole birds. It can also air fry stuffed mushrooms to a perfect crisp. Our testing lab even gave its overall quality a 10 out of 10 score. We'd strongly recommend it for small households that don't have an oven or for larger households that need some extra hefty cooking power. But if you're a small household and already have an oven, we'd argue that the cost of the $500 isn't worth it. You can look into our other top air fryers like the Ninja Max XL or the Instant Pot Vortex Plus instead. We are looking at them in depth in our next video just coming next week. Tap that little bell icon to get notified when that video is out, and if you end up pulling the trigger on the Breville, let us know in the comments. Give us a like and a share.